Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I did miss my BELLASKINBOX unboxing last month. Just when it came at the end of the month, I was so backlogged and it just kept getting pushed, and I actually was really upset about it because this is one of my favorite subscription boxes. So because of that, we're going to do a double unboxing this month of both the October and November BELLASKIN boxes. I'll start with the November, then we'll unbox the October, we'll talk about the two, and go through all of the details. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And please don't forget to subscribe because I upload 3 or 4 times a week, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into a subscription box unboxing for 2 months of clean, vegan, cruelty-free, the works skincare, stay tuned. Okay, so I am going to do November 1st because that's probably the one you guys are here for. So, every month the theme cards give you all the info, so we're going to talk through that. So, the value of this box is $120. They do have a Black Friday sale, so like a pop-up store where you can go purchase at their website, which I'll link down below. Using the code Black Friday, BLK Friday, you'll get 30% off. And let's jump into the first item in the box. This is from Soon Skincare. It is a 5-pack of lip masks retailing for $16. Kiss Lackluster Lips Goodbye. Plump, hydrate, and lighten dark spots with a daily lip mask packed with high-impact ingredients that deliver healthier-looking pout. The ideal pre-treatment for liner, lipstick, lip gloss, etc. to prevent flaking and color bleeding. That is actually really cool. I am going to try one out. How long does it say this needs? Step 1, gently clean and dry your lips. Already done. Just got out of the shower. Remove the lip mask and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then remove and yeah, okay, I'm gonna go pop this on and we'll see how it works. I've used a few products from the Soon line, actually mostly out of this box. And so far, all the sheet masks I've tried I've liked. The one, if I'm remembering it correctly, the one issue I had was the last mask I opened had so much of the serum in it that it dripped basically everywhere. But this one is not giving me that issue. So it is a cute little pair of lips. Does smell like strawberry. So I'm going to pull it off of the plastic and apply it. And once this is on, I won't be able to talk. So I'm going to put this on, leave it on for the 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll be right back to talk about it. All right, it has been about 10 minutes, probably closer to 8 or 9, but I was honestly getting really stir-crazy because I wanted to keep filming. I will say, off the bat, my lips do feel nice and hydrated. Like you can see a little bit of a glow on there, but it doesn't feel wet, which means the serum was definitely absorbed. My lips feel good, but I will say they don't feel super nourished. Like I feel like I would still need to go in with a balm of some sort and that I would need a little bit more, but it definitely does feel smooth and I'm not getting any of that like rough texture, so I guess it's helping. The one concern is that it does say that it is a daily mask, and I don't think this is something that I would do every single day. I think it might be nice before an event, or in my case, a day where I'm filming or something where my lips have to feel hydrated and great, but I don't know if I have 10 to 15 minutes in my day to do another, like, sheet mask for my lips every single day. Next item out of the box is from Delia Skincare. This is the Rejuvenating Serum, retails for $30. The soothing blend of natural oils is great for all skin types. Formula is lightweight and helps soften skin, leaving silky and natural glow from within. Rub gently on the face and neck after moisturizer daily or as often as desired. Now looking at the ingredients, the first ingredient, number 1, top ingredient, is apricot oil, which my husband is deathly allergic to. So this is going to go into a giveaway box, hashtag don't kill Brandon. So yeah, we're not going to kill my husband by opening a product that will kill him. But that being said, apricot oil is a very nourishing oil. It is amazing for the skin. Unfortunately, it is on the ingredient list that I cannot even open in my house, lest anaphylactic shock take hold and I kill my husband. The next item is from Me Time Botanicals. This is the Clean Slate 3-in-1, retails for $35. Multifunctioning formula that lifts away dirt, melts makeup, draws out pollutants while plumping, moisturizing, and softening skin, removes all makeup. Oh, that's just a typo. Softening skin, removes all makeup, even mascara and long-wearing formulas, Doubles as a sleeping mask, nightly moisturizer to promote a glowy, moisturized complexion. Softens lines and wrinkles to promote a healthier looking skin barrier and encourages cellular rejuvenation. Plumps the skin by locking in moisture and preventing transepidural water loss. Formulated for all skin types, perfect for sensitive skin. Let's see the ingredients. Mango butter, grapeseed oil, rosehip oil, pomegranate oil, watermelon oil, blueberry oil, elderberry oil, beeswax, pineapple extract, rose clay, and vitamin E. Okay, so that makes total sense. So an oil blend, like you guys know, I love my Beauty For Real Skin Revival oil. Can be used as a hydrator, can be used to remove makeup, can be used as an overnight treatment. That is something that is specific to all oils, not just this one. Because it has beeswax in it, it is going to give it a thicker viscosity, so you can use it as like a makeup melter. This doesn't have any of Brandon or my trigger ingredients, so I am going to put this into rotation for makeup melters and makeup removers. I will be honest, I don't like using these emolliented, heavy oil-based moisturizers, so I won't be using it as a moisturizer, but I do love things like this, the Pharmacy Green Clean, the Clinique Melt Your Day Away makeup melter. I don't know, I haven't used it in so long because the other ones are better, but all of those basically do the same thing because they're just emolliented oils. So I have no reason to believe that this won't work well. But as always, 12 months after you open it, it does expire. And I currently have 3 makeup melters open. So I'm not going to open this until I am ready to use it. Please be mindful about your expiration dates. So make sure you're finishing things before you're opening. Otherwise, you're going to have a million open products that are all going to be expired and are all going to be garbage. And you will have gotten no money's worth out of them. So please make sure that you're being diligent about your expiration dates. Next item out of the box is from Skin & Co. Aroma. This is the eye concentrate in a travel size, which retails for $30. Words are hard today. Created to target the appearance of tired eyes, puffiness, bags, dark circles, and signs of aging. Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate has been perfected through decades of research to nourish and rejuvenate the delicate eye contour. Formulated with antioxidants, essential fatty acids, vitamins to protect against free radical and environmental damage, and hydrolyzed fruit extracts to energize and reveal brighter eyes. The Truffle Eye Therapy Concentrate works best as part of the Truffle Therapy regimen to achieve glow results. So, after a quick glance, I am not seeing any of our banned ingredients, but I also did recently open the Fresh Eye Concentrate Black Kombucha, that line. So I did just go into a new eye cream, so this is going to have to take a back burner for a little bit. But this is not something I'm not willing to try. I've used the Skin & Co. line before, and I'm actually very happy with a lot of their cleansers because they have like 30 different cleansers. Their foaming cleanser is so nice on the skin, and the whipped one's a little heavy for my taste, but I do really like the foaming cleanser. So this will go into rotation once I finish because, as always, 12 months after you open it. It is a travel size, but just to show you guys for reference, this tiny travel size jar will still probably last you 2 months. You do not need a lot of eye cream. If you're using too much eye cream, it's actually making the product not work as well. It is better to do a less is more, especially when it comes to eye cream. And the last item out of the November box is from After Spa. It is the back scrubber with handles, which retails for $9. Exfoliate the full body, including hard-to-reach areas, with a cloth-covered sponge made of exfoliating cotton. Deep cleanses your skin and stimulates circulation, accompanied by a great massage. Now, I've used several After Spa products. This is not a line I'm unfamiliar with because I keep getting them in various boxes. They've been in Bella Skin, they've been in BoxyCharm, so I am actually a really big fan of the products I have used. So this will be going into my shower because I need to throw out the one I have in there. So I will be trying that out. Make sure to stay tuned for next month's Bella Skin, where I can tell you how I feel about the products that I did finally get to try. All in all, it is a retail value of $120, which for the $34 subscription box, I believe it's $34? Yes, it is a $35 subscription box. You will get all of this, which, based just looking at this, you definitely get your money's worth. Especially the lip masks were nice. The cleanser, I'm really excited to try, and the shower gel, which already almost doubles the $35 price point. Unfortunately, 2 of the big price items in there, the Delia Skin, I cannot personally use, but a lucky subscriber at some point in an upcoming giveaway will definitely be happy to try that out, I am sure. Now jumping into the October box, which I am sorry that this is coming a month late, but, you know, better late than never. First, there is a Halos 20. I don't know if the coupon is still active, But Halos is a hoop company, which I actually believe is owned by the same owner as BELLASKINBOX. So really excited that she's going into a jewelry venture, just because I think that's really exciting. You guys know I love makeup, but my gig is press-on nails. Brandon and I, do I have a pair back here? I do. Brandon and I make hand-painted press-on nails. And I love makeup, but I do nails. So I think it's really cool when a brand, person, whatever, uses whatever they're doing to kind of touch all of their passions. So clean skincare and jewelry, I think that is awesome. For the first item out of the box, this is the Upcircle Beauty Face Mask, which retails for $24. A gently detoxifying face mask to fight blackheads, minimize pores, and prevent breakouts. Skin is left feeling cleansed, refreshed, and balanced, reused, repurposed, and reloved. Face mask is made with finely ground powder of discarded olive stones, a natural byproduct of the olive oil industry, and a powerful anti-inflammatory. A clarifying face mask is suitable for all skin types. The olive powder is combined with rejuvenating white kaolin clay, coconut powder, and baobab oil. Interesting. So you guys know that coconut is a trigger ingredient for me, and I do try to avoid it in anything but lip care. So I am actually going to pass on this just because, again, not an ingredient that I can use. But olive oil, olive stones, all of that, I'm going to be honest, is a little, I'm apprehensive. Walnut scrubs, olive pit scrubs, like these are very astringent ingredients. You guys know I prefer a chemical exfoliant if I'm going to exfoliate my skin, just because it will naturally, not naturally, it will chemically, but it will chemically dissolve the dead skin off of the surface of your face. And these, it's almost like sandpapering your skin, and I am not really in favor of nearly any physical exfoliants. I know that there's a lot of people who love the Dr. Brandt or the walnut scrub from Ole Henriksen, both of which I find are just way too abrasive for the skin. I would stick to a lightweight peeling pad over those any day. Next up, from also Delia Skincare, this is the Hydrating Serum. This gentle formula is for dry or mature skin with carrot seed and pomegranate seed oil. The serum will nourish the skin, leaving it with a healthy level of hydration. Now, I do not have dry or mature skin, and the number one ingredient is also apricot oil. So it seems like apricot is one of their target ingredients. So obviously that is also going in the don't even pretend to open it in this house because I'm going to kill my husband. So we're going to not do that and give it away. Next, from Me Time Botanicals, it is the Lip Balm Trio and Breathe Roller Bundle. Gently exfoliate the skin and nourish and moisturize. Silky, creamy formula melts into the skin, which includes a trio of flavored lip balms and a sugar plum lip polish. Peppermint oil, jojoba oil, vegetable, vanilla oil, coffee infused. I'm excited to smell that. That sounds awesome. And then coconut oil, beeswax, and sunflower seed balms. Now, I just finished saying coconut oil is an ingredient I don't love, but I don't have an issue with it on the lips. So I am going to try, I think I'm going to try the vanilla one because it's called Vanilla Latte, and you know how I feel about coffee. One of my all-time favorite flavors. The other two I'm going to set to the side. If I love it, they will be mine. If not, they will go in an upcoming giveaway. That is quite nice. And after that lip mask I did earlier, definitely really enjoy that. I'm getting a lot of the vanilla. I'm not getting as much of the coffee, but it's subtle, but it's definitely there. Feels nice and smooth, but I don't feel greasy, which is an issue I normally have with these organic, natural style lip balms or chapsticks. And for the roller, which also comes as part of this set, Natural Aromatherapy. Oh, I've gotten one of these before. Okay, I'm not going to open this. This is the rosemary infused one, because I do have one that they sent, I want to say 3 months ago, that's like infused with a whole bunch of different flavors, and it's lavender based. So I'm going to hold this for now because I definitely don't need both. And once I finish that one, I'll probably jump into this one. But this is a product that I really did enjoy when I tried it the first time. Next up from Skin & Co., this is the Face Gommage. Retails for $30. Ideal for all skin types. Truffle Therapy Face Gommage is a weekly exfoliating treatment to polish the skin, removing impurities, dirt, debris accumulated in pores to refresh skin for a rejuvenated, radiant appearance. Now, I'm going to be honest, I don't love this product. I got it in a BoxyCharm like 8 months ago, maybe 9 months ago. It's been a while, and I didn't really enjoy it. I'm going to probably put this in an upcoming giveaway just because not really for me. I prefer the rest of their line, but this just wasn't it for me. I don't love micro exfoliating truffle stuff, or micro exfoliating at all. If it's not chemical, I don't love things that have any grit to them. And the last item, which is probably the cutest item from both boxes, is also from After Spa. It is a trio of headbands. It's a 3-pack of headbands for pulling the hair away from the face as you do your skincare. It comes in 3 colors. I'm probably going to pull the blue one out and send the other 2 to my mom and sister, because every time I have ever gotten a cute headband from a brand, my mom's always like, "Ooh, I want it." So I'm going to probably send her 2 of those, snag one for myself. All in all, this box had a retail value of $116, which definitely easy to get your $35 value out of this box. Even with allergies or things I didn't like, pulling out those products, it's still well over the $35 box. Thank you guys so much for sticking through 2 unboxings with me. I hope you found this interesting and enjoyable. If you have any questions, sound off down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.